Welcome to our ultimate guide on mastering digital marketing in 2024. Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is packed with everything you need to know to succeed in the ever evolving world of digital marketing. First, let's break down what digital marketing really is. At its core, digital marketing is the use of online platforms and technologies to promote products, service, or brands. In 2024, it's more important than ever to leverage the power of the internet, social media, and data-driven strategies to reach your audience. To get started, focused on mastering the key pillars of digital marketing: content marketing, social media marketing, search engine optimization, paid advertising, and email marketing. Each of these are plays a critical role in building a successful online presence. Content marketing is all about creating valuable, relevant content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's blogs, videos, or infographics, great content can drive engagement and build trust. Social media marketing, on the other hand, evolves using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn to connect with your audience in real time, engage in conversations, and build a community around your brand. SEO is the backbone of organic traffic. By optimizing your website and content for search engine like Google, you can ensure that your target audience finds you when they search for relevant topics. Paid advertising through Google Ads or social media ads helps amplify your reach and drive targeted traffic to your website. Finally, email marketing is the still one of the most effective ways to nurture relationship with your audience and convert leads into customers. As we look ahead in 2024, remember that digital marketing is all about experimentation, analysis, and adaptation. Stay curious, keep learning, and always stay ahead of trends to master this dynamic field. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on digital marketing success.